Hello friends, welcome to Creative Medicine. In this lecture, we will learn about
includes physical exercise,
Protective factors. Protective factors for endometrial carcinoma includes physical exercise and smoking.
smoking inhibits the enzyme aromatase and thus increases the estrogen metabolism. The patient can present with multiparity, pregnancy, oral contraceptive pills, and breastfeeding.
In protective factors, we have physical exercise, smoking, multiparity, pregnancy, oral contraceptive pills, and breastfeeding.
thank you and thank you for watching.